Hi, ito na yung second vlog ko na pumunta kami sa Taytay Rizal sa may Club Manois. At dahil medyo tanga nga tayo, naiwan ko ang waterproof case ko, monopod at yung camera ko kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog underwater. So yun, kung magustuhan nyo to, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share this and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!
Is this thing on? Word. So what, we get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees. So what, we go out, that's how it's supposed to be, living young and wild and free. So what, I keep it rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. And look clean, don't it? Watched it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Eat me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers. And smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking grade, you know what? It's like I'm 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my god, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Tipping like I'm dripping in paint. Up front, once like a leaf, put the wheat in the chain. Get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees. So what, we go out, that's how it's supposed to be, living young and wild and free. And I don't even care, cause if me and my team in there, it's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell 'em Mac, blowing everywhere we going, and now you knowin' when I step right up, get my lighter so I can light up. That's how it should be done. Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up. From the ground up, pound up, it's Taylor game. So turn my sound up and down up and do my thing. Now I'm chillin', fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own and I could probably own a building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had a size project, me and Mac killed it. THC, MAC, DEV, HD3. Hi, it's me, this is us. We gon' fuss and we gon' fight and we gon' roll and live. So what, we get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees. So what, we go out, that's how it's supposed to be, living young and wild and free. Yeah, roll one, smoke one, when you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun. So we just roll one, smoke one, when you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun. So what, we get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun, and we don't care who sees. So what, we go out, that's how it's supposed to be, living young and wild and free.
Hi! Ito na. Hi! Yan. Oh my God. Ito na ako. Yan. Yan pa. Hindi ko dala yung monopod ko para akong mag-backling. So, ayan na siya. Yoko. Huwag na, tara. Ayan o. Hi, Mami. Hi. Punta na kami doon sa, sa place. Ito yung Yan. Punta na kayo dito. Ganda. siya, kakatapos nila. Ano binili mo, Mi? Ano binili mo?
Okay lang? Magkano? Nasaan mo yung ano?
Ito? Tara. Yung churros, di na ako nakabili. Kumaka mo. Oh my God, init. Hindi ko nadala yung monopod. Painom ako.
Lumibag mo ha, baka Sige, nag-iisa na lang yung bag mo.
Yan. Ito na nga yung vlog ko na nagpunta kami sa may Taytay Rizal, sa may Club Manila. At kung nagustuhan nyo to, i-like and share nyo to at mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko. At follow nyo ako sa mga social media accounts ko. Bye-bye!